Hey there, my name is ARTFX and welcome back to my channel. Today's a very quick production tip. I'm gonna show you how you can make your drops hit a little bit harder. Let's get to it. So right now I've got the track from the last live stream. I'm working on that track right now and I wanted to make the first kick of the drop feel as if it hits a little bit harder than what it currently does. So I'm gonna play you the track right now. It might be a little bit loud, so be prepared. Turn your volume down if you have to. In 3, 2, 1.
Make them levitate.
So that's what I have right now. It sounds pretty sub-heavy, and I wanted to make this first kick drum feel as if it hits a little bit harder. So I came up with this really simple trick. All it is a little bit of white noise on the first kick, but I did do a little bit of processing to it to make it fit a little bit better. So I've got a MIDI clip right here with a really short MIDI note. This MIDI note is only, let's see, it's just a little longer than half a beat. So this would be half a beat right here. It's a little longer than half a beat, so that's about the length of my kick drum. I made this inside operator, so what I've done is I've taken an oscillator first with a little bit of white noise, so just select the white noise here, and I brought the level down to minus 17 decibels, and that creates a little bit of white noise, like that. Then I layered that with a sub-bass oscillator, and this one is actually at a level of 0 decibels, so this is just a sine wave sub. And these together create that. Now it's very important that the noise is lower in volume than the sub-bass. So the reason I added the sub-bass is because I want to give the noise an oscillation. And I want that oscillation to be in the key of my track. So this track is written in the key of E. And because my MIDI note is E as well, my sub-bass in this particular operator is going to be E. So we now hear an E note sub-bass with a little bit of white noise on top. I want that white noise to take on the oscillation of the sub-bass, so I've added an overdrive. This overdrive is basically, I've changed this right here to basically occupy the entire frequency range, and then I brought up the dry wet to 100% because I don't want to hear the dry signal, I only want to hear the distorted signal. What this does is it actually gives the noise the oscillation of the sub-bass. So just listen. So this is without, and this is with. You can hear how it gets that crunchy feeling. Well, it has the oscillation of the sub-bass now. All we have to do now is remove the sub-bass, and that's what I did here with a high-pass filter. And then I decided to add another little bit of an EQ cut there, just to get rid of some of those really high frequencies. And that is pretty much it. So, one more time, this is the drop without that little bit of extra white noise.
Make them levitate.
And now this is with the extra bit of white noise.
Make them levitate.
Just one more time, this is without.
Make them levitate.
And this is with.
Make them levitate.
So there you have it. That's a very simple trick to make your drops hit harder. If you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel. I'm doing music production videos every single week, and I also do a live stream every Friday at 8 PM Central European Summertime, which is GMT +2. So figure out what it is for your time zone, and I hope to see you tuning in upcoming Friday. So without further ado, if you want to be a member of my Discord community, you can find the invite link in the description below this video, and I'll see you guys back soon. Peace!